film industry, whether it is Tollywood, Bollywood, Hollywood, Kollywood, whatever it may be, casting couch గురించి ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో హీరోయిన్స్ చాలా ఓపెన్గా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. Listen to me first. A casting couch.
No, the reason
what is your opinion towards casting couch?
శ్వేత, నేను ఒక మాట ఆనెస్ట్గా చెప్తాను.
చెప్పండి.
ఓకేనా? ఈ మొత్తం విషయం గురించి చాలా వర్షం నుంచి అది నడుస్తుంది చాలా. నా ఒక థింకింగ్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో దిస్ థింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్, బికాస్ విత్ మీ ఇట్ డిడ్ నాట్ హ్యాపెన్. Maybe probably the way maybe
Momaji, I didn't ask you that whether you have been through that or
no, what do I think about casting
couch with that and all
about the casting couch
before you know, people didn't dare to talk about the casting couch and all, but now actresses are open to talk about the casting couch,
which is nice.
Yeah, that's what you just, I'm asking you to tell your opinion on that.
No, which is nice. It's depend on what, like, you know, what they want to do it in life. In the end of the day, it's their decision what makes them happy actually.
రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మన తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలామంది హీరోయిన్స్, టాప్ మోస్ట్ లీడర్స్, టాప్ మోస్ట్ యాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా. కాజల్ కానొచ్చు, తమన్నా కానొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ కూడా ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ని చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ చేయడానికి తెగ తాపత్రపడిపోతున్నారు. సో ఈ సిచ్యుయేషన్ ఏమన్నా మీ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ని గ్రాప్ చేస్తుంది అనుకుంటున్నారా?
Can you say it again in English so that I can answer about this?
You know, do you think that are you being affected by this kind of situations like Tollywood heroines or grabbing the opportunities of item songs, right?
Which is nice. That means we are presenting in a very good way, like, you know, which is nice. They should do it. And this question, like many people have asked me, what do you think about it, and like, you know, this and that, so which is nice according to me.
Right, because cinema industry anagane rumors చాలా కామన్. It is whatever it might be this issue, డ్రగ్స్ కానివ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్ కానివ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి ద ఇష్యూ, రూమర్స్ అనే వాటిని మీరు సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారా, స్పోర్టివ్గా తీసుకుంటారా?
You just have to listen from one ear and take out from the other ear. So I guess I'll say sportingగా తీసుకున్నాను.
రైట్. ఎటు మనం ఇష్యూస్, రూమర్స్ స్పోర్టివ్గా తీసుకుంటాను అని చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి లెట్ మీ బీ లిటిల్ ఆనెస్ట్ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ విత్ యూ. మమిత్ గారు, మీరు డ్రగ్స్ తీసుకుంటారా?
అది వెరీ స్టూపిడ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఫస్ట్,
ఓకే,
ఠీకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ సో స్టూపిడ్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ కమ్ టు మై హౌస్, యూర్ టేకింగ్ మై ఇంటర్వ్యూ, యూర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ మై చైర్, యూర్ హ్యావింగ్ మై టీ, you're doing every goddamn thing, and I'm just being nice to you right in front of you, and you have so much guts to say to me or even ask without even thinking about it how am I going to feel. You're asking me, do I do drugs? Like, are you freaking out of your mind?
See, being a journalist,
do you think that a journalist?
I don't have rights to ask you.
No, you don't have any
which
rights.
Everybody is discussing.
This is so not fair.
Now, the issue
this
has
is
become
so not fair. Only
now,
because I'm an actor.
No. Since the issue has become social. Since the issue has become social.
Listen.
Now this question is being raised by me, being a journalist. I will be having rights to ask you whether you take drugs or not.
No, I'm not gonna.
Okay, please tell me. Why you have been given the notices from the SIT officers if you are not taking drugs?
You know, it's like, you know, you're asking someone कि पहले अंडा आया या मुर्गी आई.
I don't want to listen your logics behind the story. You please tell me the answer, whatever you want to. I don't know why are you laughing.
The reason why
is I playing jokes with you? I'm so serious about the drugs issue. That is a very big issue that is happening in AP. In AP, I don't know why, Momaji. There are so many actors. There are so many item dancers, among which only few people are being asked by the SIT.
Linda, listen to me, Linda.
Yeah, I listen to you,
Linda.
because Hyderabad wants to know.
See, listen, let me tell you one thing very honestly and very clearly, once and for all. See, you're a good friend and you asked me that question, it doesn't even matter to me, alright?
Yeah.
Because there are many people, I do understand there are many people who really wants to know exactly, you know, why this has happened. And okay, fine, it like, you know, why with her? How come she is calling? You know, all those things. Yes, people do have these questions in their mind. And people, they really do want to know about it. And I would like to clarify one more time again.
Thank you.
See, as the official, it was their job or it was their duty to take care of, like, I'm so sure even, like, you know, they have their duty and it's their job to take care of the society. Alright, so if few officials, only because I guess because my working graph with Puri and, like, you know, even with Subbaraju or Shyam K. Naidu, it has always been like a family. So for me, it was always like, I know Puri, like, you know, I know Puri, I know Subbu, I know many of them, but that doesn't mean that you're not letting me complete. Shweta, wait.
Yeah.
You want the whole answer, you can edit and whatever the way you want to put, you put it.
Okay.
But you need to understand this part, the
Yeah.
reason why they thought. Because, no, but I have never clearly said it. Like, you know, why they only called me. I have never clearly said it. But then if you really want to know, I personally feel because in the future, in the past, like I have worked, like, you know, we have already people, they were talking so much rumors, and, like, you know, you just asked me, what do you think about rumors? Does it affect you or you take it sportingly? So the reason why I said taking sportingly, because I have learned being in the industry that all these things, it's like your extra baggage. So every time if you're going to expect people are going to talk nice about you, my expectation is not that. So I think maybe they thought, like, you know, I am still in the same group of people, like, you know, I am there, I'm in touch with them, where in the fact, I haven't been in touch with anybody. Like, I've been actually not in touch because I was recovering and I needed my own time to exactly know what I want to do next and what I want to do, even though after my 2 years recovery. So for me, it was very normal, because agar Puri, Subbaraju, Ravi Teja, and then Navdeep,
Right.
Shyam K. Naidu, like, you know,
Right.
all the name came. So for me, it was very normal.
Yeah.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Sai Kripa, strength coach. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And more videos, please subscribe to iDream Media.
Hi, I'm Sirisha Reddy, fashion designer. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ గెటప్ శ్రీను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు iDream Media.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.